Doclincr community, welcome back to another insightful episode. Today, we're diving deep into the world of clinical data management. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. But first, let's understand clinical data management, or CDM. In simple terms, it's the process of collecting, cleaning, and managing data obtained during clinical trials. Think of it as the backbone of any successful medical research project. What is the importance of CDM? Well, accurate and well-managed data is crucial for drawing meaningful conclusions from clinical studies. It ensures the integrity and reliability of the results, which ultimately influences medical decision-making and patient care. Key steps in clinical data management. Now, let's break down the key steps involved in CDM. Step 1, data collection. In this step, we are gathering information from various sources, including patient records and laboratory results. Step 2, data cleaning. This step is related to identifying and correcting errors or inconsistencies in the collected data. Step 3, data storage. In this step, store data securely in compliance with regulatory standards to maintain confidentiality. Step 4, data analysis. In this step, statistical methods are used to interpret the data and draw meaningful conclusions. Last step is data reporting. In this step, present the findings in a clear and concise manner for regulatory submissions or publication. What are the challenges in CDM? While clinical data management is crucial, it comes with its own set of challenges. From data security to regulatory compliance, staying on top of these challenges is essential for successful clinical trials. To ensure effective clinical data management, consider following best practices. Use standardized data collection methods for consistency. Implement rigorous quality checks throughout the data management process. Regularly validate data to catch errors early on. And lastly, stay updated with regulatory requirements to ensure adherence. Remember that clinical data management is at the heart of medical research. It shapes the future of healthcare and patient outcomes. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.